Okay, we have another perfect touch for Tesla. Tesla is resilient. Let's take a look at what happened today with Tesla and with the rest of the market. Tesla closed at 440.40. Cannot make this up. Up $17, 4%. Post-market down a bit. Yeah, we are really starting to bounce on this. Perfect bounce right here. Second perfect bounce today. So the move down did not pan out. On the 1 hour chart, when we lose stochastic over 60 and then we lose support, it's usually a short. This one was a short because it just bounced right here at 130. It went and touched the support, and this is giving credence to this support right here. And then second time, today this time, boom, we are touching that perfectly. And then we started to go higher and we stopped. And we stopped at 230, right smack on 440 again. Same number, the numbers are just coming back. 440, 440, 440, 440. You see? Very important number on the 1 hour chart. We break it, sometimes we cave. So then we should get smarter and consider 445 as the real number we need to break because of the past. Because we are adjusting our lines based on reality. This is not a number we get from an Excel spreadsheet. Tesla should be worth 2,500 in 2030. Who knows? Who knows? We see what is actually happening, the tug of war between the buyers and sellers. We are watching this. We are seeing it in real time. Every hour we see where the sellers are exhausting themselves, when the buyers are tired. We see everything. And 440 is a really important number. So for the last 2 hours of the day, look at this, very close to 440, and we close at 440.40, and the resistance we have is at 440.13. So we are just a little bit above. We don't know what is going to happen during the weekend, if we are going to get some bad news about something. Elon will say something. Nobody knows what is going to happen, but right now, so far, we want to break that 440, and the lows are getting higher. You know, the lows are getting higher. When the lows are getting higher and we have a flat, what is happening? Boom. When we have a move, this time we are going to use 445. When we have a move, we should continue. Nothing's for sure. This is the stock market, guys. This is the stock market. Nothing's for sure. Don't panic. There's always risk, but there's reward. Reward from 360 to where we are right now, 430 something. That's a nice move in a short amount of time. Try to get this in the bank account. And Tesla, yes, on the daily chart, we were overbought. We were overbought right here on RSI, but being overbought, as we see right here, does not mean that it's going down. It does not mean that at all. And now we are no longer overbought, so maybe we are due for another push. When we break 445, and where can it take us? The first place it's going to take us is at 467. So on the daily chart, everything's good. All of our indicators are positive and bullish. On the 1 hour chart, they were not, because we had this move down right here. This was not good, but this has recovered this afternoon. So we adjust what we see. If we see stochastic below 60, this is never good news. Once it is above 60, then things can go somewhere. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. VIX, aha, we like to see this. VIX down 1.44. Now we are talking. We are back to 15, below 16. We love this. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. Look at this. Boom, boom. This is going to help everybody. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Perfection. Yesterday we had a perfect touch right here. Perfect touch. Now we are bouncing. We love to see this. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So yeah, SPX, there was a support right here. Went on support for 5-6 hours. Now it's recovering. We have stochastic over 60 back, so it's possible that we continue higher. Nasdaq, same thing. Nasdaq did not go as low as support. It's stopping a little bit higher, and now we are continuing. Love this too. Russell, also a nice green day. So things are looking a little bit better. So we see a lot less red. Yes, there's some dark green and some black, but we have a lot of green. And this morning we have received some information. Core PCE price index, the price index, lower 0.2. So inflation is down. This is adding reasons for Powell to lower the rates. Personal income 0.4 instead of 0.3. Economy is doing good. Personal spending 0.6. This is strong. So we have a strong economy. People are spending. The personal income is increasing. And if we have the interest rates coming down a little bit, we could be having a nice boost in the economy. Let's take a look at gold. So gold is maintaining itself. We are at resistance. So this is why it's stopping. So there's a balance in the tug of war between the buyers and sellers. No. This is where things are at. Silver, very strong. This is the bullish channel resistance. We are supposed to cave in there because sellers tend to come at that price point, but they are no longer powerful enough. Look at this. The buyers are pushing this through. Buyers are very strong right here. Okay, we have lost 111,940. Big day yesterday. Today, it did not recover that much. Huh? Look at this wick at the top. So this is telling us that we tried and failed to go higher. So this is a fail. Failed to go higher. No stochastic. Nothing on the daily chart. And if we look at the 1 hour chart, nothing there too. So there is no sign even on the 1 hour chart that Bitcoin wants to go higher. No sign at all. Ethereum, this is a nice move, nice try, but we have not conquered back 4,091. In terms of indicators on the daily chart, everything's bearish. On the 1 hour chart, this is better. We have stochastic over 60 right here. We have our reversal indicator. So it's possible that over the weekend, things pick up a little bit. So Ethereum is looking a little bit better than Bitcoin. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So Tesla Model Y makes dramatic comeback in Sweden with 492% rise in registrations. Fantastic. We love great news like this. And we have Wedbush increased its price target to a street high of 600, stating that Tesla was advancing its path towards an AI revolution. This is coming. Let's keep these positive news coming. So a nice end to the week. We need to push through 445 to reach 467, and maybe if we are lucky we are going to reach a little bit higher than that next week. 484 all-time high. That would be great. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. Don't forget my Trendlines Masterclass. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday unless you are a member at the Discord level, in which case we are going to talk also on Sunday. Have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.